Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to factory reset a Nest Doorbell Wired. So if you moved into a home with one of these, you can set it back up, or if you're moving out of your home, you can delete all the personal information on it. Now, if you've got another version of the Nest Doorbell, check our links in the description below for those other doorbells and how to reset them. We've got videos on those too. Now, in order to reset the Nest Doorbell Wired, which was launched in 2022, you're going to need two things. You need either a paper clip or piece of small wire, and you need a 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench. This Allen wrench actually came with the Nest Doorbell, but if you don't have that or you lost it, we're going to include a link below to a 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench you can pick up on Amazon, and or you could just go to your big box store and pick one of these up. Now, in order to reset the Nest Doorbell Wired, what we need to do is remove a screw that's on the top here. So let's show you that. This is the top of the device, and you can see the screw that we need to remove with our Allen wrench. So I'm just going to insert that and then turn it counterclockwise until this screw is fully removed. Okay, we've got this screw fully loosened, and you can see it pops right out there. You want to make sure that you don't lose that. Now that we've got the screw removed, all we're going to do now is push up on the device and it will pop off. So I'm going to push up from the bottom and then pull forward, and now my device pops off. You can see I can then pull it forward. Now, before you do anything else, you have to remember that the power is currently on to this device because we are going to factory reset this device. So you want to make sure you're careful not to touch any of the wiring or screws that are on the back of this right here. So you've got your two screws right here, and then this is where we're going to insert our paper clip or piece of wire to factory reset the Nest Doorbell Wired. Now we're ready to factory reset the doorbell, and in order to do that, we're going to put our wire or paper clip right in that hole for approximately 20 seconds and hold down the little button that's inside that hole. Now you'll know that this has been reset when the light colors change on the front of the device. There's some light colors right here that will change, and when this will beep or alert you that it has been reset or that it's ready to set up. So I'm going to hold this wire in the back of the device for approximately 20 seconds. So I put it in, and then you'll feel a little button in there that you need to hold down on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We heard that beep, which means that it did reset. And now you can see that this has gone to a blinking color. It's a whiter light or a bluer light. And we got that second beep. Now we're ready to let go. So it took about 25 seconds. I'm going to stop holding that, and now this device has been reset to factory default settings, and I could start setting it back up on my phone. So if you want to watch a video on how to set this up, check down in the description below. And we heard that second series of tones after we let off, and now the light is blinking blue like this is ready to be set back up. So now what I recommend is that you set this back up and get it set up on your phone, because you're going to need the QR code that's on the back side of this so that you can scan that QR code. And once you've got that QR code scanned and you've gone through the instructions, then you're ready to put this device back on the mount. So you're going to take it and you're going to first push backwards onto the mount to get the two holes that are on here aligned. So there you've got these two tabs right here, this one at the top and this one at the bottom. You're going to push those into the two holes right here, and then what you need to do is slide down to lock it into place, and then you can put that screw back in the top. Now we've got our two holes aligned, and then I'm going to push down to lock it into place. So I've locked that into place, and now I'm ready to replace my screw here at the top. I tighten the screw clockwise, and then this has been reinstalled. So thank you for watching this video on how to remove and factory reset your Nest Doorbell Wired 2nd generation. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. But if you need help on another Nest Doorbell, check out the description below, or how to set this up. We've also got videos that show you how to do that as well. So thank you for watching. Give us that thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.